Hey guys, it's Sean back today, and today we're in Laurel Pond, lake in Laurel, and today I've got my night crawler out there on a bobber, the same rig as last time basically, and then on this rod I've got a spinner for the trout, see if I can't target those. And my brother, he's got his setup over there. He's got one more rod to set up, but he's got a night crawler on the bottom over there. And let's see what we can catch today. Alright guys, so we switched locations actually, and this is my setup still. Got the bobber up to but we're gonna see if we can't catch one right here. So let me turn y'all around so you can actually see what I'm talking about. So we're over here. We were over there, but now we're here. Moved just a little bit. And I was getting a little bit of bites, but I just couldn't pick up with one, so let's see if I can now. Missed him, guys. Son of a... Missed him, guys. Again, this hook is a little bit bigger than what we were using in the last video, so the hookup ratio isn't going to be that good. But, oh, missed him, guys. I could see the color a little bit, but couldn't catch him, you know? Got him, guys. Oh, okay, he's still there. First fish of the day landed. All right, let's take a good look at him real quick. Besides the one my brother caught, which if I didn't put a picture in, I'll put a picture in somewhere in the video. It's just a little pumpkin seed, it looks like. Let's go ahead and watch that little guy go. There he goes. Alright, so that's fish number 1 for me, guys. See if we can't get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the goal. Just like right there is even enough for these fish. There's number 2, guys. Looks like we've hit a feeding frenzy. Another nice little pumpkin seed. Catch the release on this guy too. Bye. Hey, my brother got him.
He legit, once I put it in the water, just grabbed it.
Missed him. And he got my worm, y'all. We're just gonna go to Aaron.
Nice little green sunfish, looks like.
Pumpkin seed, it looks like.
There we go. Why are you facing it at me?
Because
Oh.
I'm rebaiting.
Okay. Okay, so cast it back out there. Wait for the fish. Oh.
He got a new rod and reel.
Yep. So he's got my worm.
Did he?
Yep. I mean, I got tons and tons of bites.
Oh yeah. Even though these guys are little dinks,
They put up a fight.
they're fun to catch. And I said that last video. Which thank you guys for getting 25 views on that video. 25 views and 4 likes. We got 4 subscribers. Shout out to Fishing Montana. If you guys don't know who that is, go check out his channel because he's awesome. And he fishes a whole bunch of lakes around Montana, and he was the one that inspired me to make these videos. So sorry, I missed that one, guys. But yeah, go check out Fishing Montana. His link will be in the description. If you like my videos, you'll like his videos because he inspired me to make these videos. So shout out to you. Oh, caught him, guys. Alright. See if we can show you this one. There you go.
Oh. And I have to go again.
Alright, let's get to it.
Had one, but I lost it.
Oh yeah?
Oh, they keep getting off. Sneaky little bug.
if you're here and you like these videos, why not just hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave me a comment. I will try my best to reply to everybody's comment, and it's greatly appreciated to get any amount of likes. I think he got my worm. He did. Robbed again. So I'm gonna go back to my brother. Aaron's bits. Whatever call it. Whenever somebody has to bait back up. You know what I'm saying?
Oh Lord. Almost killed myself. I have to rebait.
Just break it to the worm. Alright guys, we're back. And I have one on here. Oh, jinxed it, guys. While we were off camera, Aaron caught one. How big do you think it is, Aaron?
An inch or so.
A few inches? Alright, cool.
Trying to get this worm off so I can actually get it.
You need help? Did they swallow it?
No.
Do you need help?
He got through the nostrils.
Do you need help?
Got him.
You got him? There he goes. Good release. Missed one.
These guys are small, but they sure do put up a good fight. Had one.
You better stop. Oh,
that was a good one.
It was a nice big bass or whatever, but it was nice.
Oh, I got one. Pumpkin seed.
It's back.
He caught a bass. Nice, dude. He's a chunk.
Oh yeah, guys, that's my personal best.
He beat me
There we go, guys.
on the worm.
Guy unhooked.
After, can I lip him? That's a
Shot.
That's
That
a good
guy.
one. Can
There
I
we
lip
go.
him? Can I lip him?
Just gonna let. No, you can't go yet. What are you talking about?
Sean, can I lip him?
Yes, you can. Give me a second. Lip it. Just real quick. Camera. There we go.
He's a good.
Last thumbnail was Aaron with the bass. This time it's me.
This is going back and forth.
Go, guys.
Good job, Sean.
Just a nice little guy.
Little guy.
Take a picture of him real quick. There we go. Alright. Capture the release on him for me. Okay. There he goes.
Right where my bait was. He's going right towards mine.
Awesome, guys. Awesome.
Awesome.
It's probably, it doesn't look like much, but this is Montana.
We don't have very many bass. I mean, we do have a lot of bass, but they're rarely, you have to get the right thing and put it right in their face for it to eat it.
Pretty much. I'm just happy he came back from that first hit. Missed him. Got him the second time.
You put him back in his face. That's how you
He won't eat it again.
He might come after mine though. Got a bite. Oh, he put up a fight. I thought it was another one.
Yeah, I thought it was another bass by the way the bobber went down. But
like I said, if you guys aren't trying worms, you're missing out. Not by much, but you guys are still missing out. Got the release on him.
fish?
Yeah, it's a fish. That's a bass.
That's a nice bass.
I caught a bass too, guys. Oh, dude, this. Wow.
That's a nicer one than mine. Get him, get him. Here, here, here.
I got it. Let's go. He's a chunk, yeah. 2 bass. That's my PB. That's my PB largemouth. Let's go, boys. Dab 2 bass in the day.
Here, hold him. Back-to-back bass, guys. Back up a little bit. Get a good thumbnail picture. There he is, guys. Nice bass. Let me take a picture of him. Aaron, look at me.
He's a chunk, too.
Aaron, look at me.
Flabby belly.
There we go.
Get the release on him.
There he goes, guys.
He got me wet.
Hey, Nux right here.
2 bass in a row.
3 fish, 2 bass. It's pretty good, if I'd say so myself.
Right as I said, you don't get very many bass.
Yep.
Jinx.
Missed him, guys.
I just casted it legit back there. I knew I had a fish. Good fish.
Get one?
Oh yeah, he was a big one. He was a good one.
Missed him.
Cast right back out there. Like, right there. That's where I caught my bass. I think we got the same one.
No, that was a different one.
Cast it a little bit deeper.
This one?
Oh,
Another bass.
what is with it? See, it is a smallie.
No, it's not. It's a largie.
You cast it right out there.
Can you see him? Alright guys, it's just a little dink. But still, it's a bass. 3 bass in a row, guys.
2 by me.
Flip him, flip him. We don't need a picture of this guy. But there we go, guys. Another bass. Good thumbs up. Get the release on this guy.
There you go.
There you go.
Don't tell anybody. Just tell them that it was a good ride.
Yeah, don't tell anybody that there's actual hooks in there.
Right back out there. See if I can catch more.
Yeah.
Cast it back right out there where I was.
I'm gonna.
Take the bobber off.
No,
and you'll
I'm gonna leave the
catch
bobber on.
fish.
You catch fish.
I think I got another one.
No way.
Oh,
Yeah.
nope.
Okay, I thought it was another bass. No bass. Just a gill.
Still, it's a fish.
Fish, fish. Spit on you?
Yep. Get the release on him.
Good stuff.
And I still have my same piece of bait. I've had my bait for about 15 minutes now.
Just gonna wait.
Take your bobber off.
I'm gonna set this rod up down. Catch one?
Yep.
Really? Another bass, you think?
Oh, he got off.
Alright, no big.
No biggie. 2 in a row though. 3 in a row actually.
Yep.
What are the odds, dude?
Not much. Not much odds.
Especially in Montana.
Yeah. Especially in Montana.
I love the fight that they put. The bass are just amazing. Oh, there's a bass right there, just scooting along.
Yeah. Is yours? Yeah.
still have my bait though.
It's good.
The same piece of bait for both of those bass and that pumpkin seed.
Yep. You catch fish. Looks like the whole family that we caught.
Maybe.
Mom, Dad,
We still need the sister.
son,
If they have sister.
great grandpa.
And I don't think the great grandpa, because we only got 3. Mom, dad, great grandpa.
No, Mom, Dad, son. Now we just need the great grandpa.
The huge one.
Get one?
Maybe. Nope, snag.
Snack.
A little snag, no big.
Still.
We'll go to in front of shows next time. If we do get it next time. Are we gonna take it this record down in Texas when we go fish?
Yep. I am. Alright guys, another one of the same rods. Real setup, he's gone.
Oh, are you kidding? He was big. Right there is where I caught that bass. And right there. Nux though. Is that a fish?
No. Snag. Oh, big old snag.
You snag of the century. Okay, they got my bait finally. I was hoping to rebait such a long time ago. I just needed bait. Mine was legit about to fall off any second anyway. Always keep the lids on your worm.
Oh, that bass just followed this gill. No joke. Cast
Nice.
it out and see what happens.
Full of blood.
Got it. Oh, he had him, guys.
That bass did get him. Saw it. After this, we're gonna unhook him. Hook him this worm like a Senko.
Alright, this is the last try for him. Alright, come here, guy. You've been attacked by a bass. You need to
He needs rest.
go away.
Go away.
Go away and hide. Don't come back. That was a big old bass that attacked him, though. It's cool.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all be able to see that in the video,
That's
but
the worst cast possible. I'm gonna see if I can catch him.
yep. Why not?
Snagged.
Yeah. Go slow because it's just grass down there. Don't do that. It's just grass down there. Just reel in, pull up, reel in, pull up, reel in, pull up.
Got it. See?
Thought that was a largemouth for a second.
Dude, I took basically the entire weed family.
That's good, you know? Get all of that out there. Don't throw it
Look
back
at that.
in. Yep. Get all that slime back out, you guys.
I wish this stuff wasn't even a thing. Actually, yes, I do, because then there wouldn't be a home for the fish for these things. Toss that back out there. And it took my bait. Nice.
Nope, that was bad. Oh,
What?
jeez. Tangle here, guys. Give me a second. Got a fish here. Got a hit. Missed it. No, he didn't. It's a little guy. Just a little guy. I thought you were a bass. Go ahead and go away.
See if I can catch another bass.
Let's see.
GG, 2 bass. Never caught 2
3.
bass. 3 bass. Okay, it's 3 bass in one day. Yeah, never caught that. Stuck again.
Yeah, don't cast that deep this time.
I didn't cast very deep though. So bass like to run along the bank of the weeds and hunt on bluegill. So if you can find the edge of the weeds, pretty bad cast. I'm pretty sure the edge of the weeds is not there. That's not either. Like right where my brother was. Right there.
Got robbed, guys.
Oh, I had a big one.
Yeah.
I had a bass, guys. They love these worms.
Yep.
I don't know what's with it. He tried over there, only caught 1 bass. And now over here, that's 4, actually 3. Oh, couldn't set the hook. Couldn't set the hook in time. Couldn't set the hook in time to get it, dude. I just wait for him to take it. Got one. Just a small little guy. No biggie. Little pumpkin seed.
Oh, you just took a full worm, that greedy nugget. What a greedy nugget.
And the release. Don't come back. Tell your bass friends that was the best roller coaster you've ever been on.
Yeah, tell them to come on down and try it. Lift to the surface.
Come try our new bass ride, only for bass only. Bluegill will hit decapitate. I'm joking. They'll just get rejected.
Alright. Guys, if this catches a sunfish, I'm gonna be so mad. My God. Look at that. A full worm, guys. A full worm.
Found a swivel.
Not just a little worm. Like, not just any little worm. No.
He's using a full
Night
worm.
crawler.
I'm telling you guys. I'm even telling you that. He's using a legit full worm.
Full night crawler.
No hopes. No hopes.
I just got a little bit of a bird's nest in this reel. Oh, dang, had a fish on. Bass.
Nice.
Thank you for coming down on this ride. I appreciate your presence. Guys, 2 bass for each of us.
Today's been a good day. I think we came at like the right time. Double up maybe? Oh.
That guy.
Oh. I had him.
There he is, guys. Just a little guy, but you know, I'm not complaining. You know, I like it. I like catching bass, and
We've never caught this many bass in one day before. It's like 1 in a million to catch a bass down here.
ooh, there he goes. Cannonball, guys. Guys, last fish of the day, and we're gonna have to call it a day. All right. I want you guys to leave in the comments what you think it is before I show you. Right now, you got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't think any of you guys got this one. It's a freaking goldfish. I caught a goldfish. I've been at this guy for quite a while, and I finally caught him. So let's catch the release. There he goes.